Всем привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and today I want to show you pancakes stuffed with ham and cheese. Honestly, this has to be the most popular, the most known flavor of crepe filling. You can also call them crepes or pancakes. I know there's a huge debate. In Russian we call them blinchiki. So these are really good. I really personally love them, and I usually have them on these markets, at the fun fairs, at the stalls. They do this big crepe filled with cheese and ham, and then you have it and it's nice and hot. So now you can make these at home. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Now let's get started. Now let's make the blini. In a bowl add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time, and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot, and you want to add your first ladle on top and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious blinchiki. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Take your ham and cut it into small pieces. I'm using the Russian ham. It's called roulette. It's really delicious. So if you haven't tried it, do recommend it. Cut it into small bite pieces, and we're gonna place this into a cup. Take your pancake, place it onto a board, and then you want to put your cheese first. And then you want to add a little bit of your ham, maybe about a tablespoon, and then just roll it up from the sides and then right in the middle into this beautiful roll up. Repeat with the rest of the pancakes. If you're going to eat them straight away, I recommend preheating your pan on a high heat. You want to add some butter and oil into your pan, and then place your blinchiki on one side. And you're going to cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes on each side until they're nice and crispy and golden. This is the best sort of way to eat them. Crispy on the outside with a yummy filling inside. Enjoy this, guys. Thanks for watching.